Okay, back again for another unboxing. This is a EUREKA Organic, what is it? Knob operated adjustment CPU holder. Alright, so basically what it is I'm going to be mounting it under here. Mounting the computer under the desk. So the cords aren't so hard, against the thing, but it's supposed to be easy. So anyhow, it's supposed to be easy to put together. So I just already used a knife to get the stuff out. So unboxing. Alright, so we got here first one tool or part, another screwdriver. Can't have enough screwdrivers. Screws and washer. Looks like we've got a cardboard box. Styrofoam. More styrofoam. Directions. Okay. The base plate, looks like. Okay, more styrofoam. And the rod. Okay. And then an empty box. Look at that. Empty box with all the styrofoam in. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to take the stuff out of the plastic, and then I'll be back with you. Okay guys, I took everything out of the plastic. Obviously this is the base plate for the computer. Obviously this goes in here. This goes around here somewhere, and this, where is it? One of these, if I can figure it out. I think maybe it's this one. Maybe it's this side. I think this side, either this side right here or this side right here, mounts up to the top of the bottom of the desk. I'll figure it out. I'll be back and I'll show you after putting this together before I mount it. Alright. Okay guys, so it's fairly simple. All you're doing is you put this thing on, you slide this from the bottom all the way to here. This is a little tight getting through this part. I don't know why. It's a little thicker, I guess. Then you slide this one on, because you're getting you want it to support the computer, and then you throw this washer on and you put this on. You don't need to make it tight because you don't want to strip it or anything like that, just in case for whatever reason you need to take it off. But it's not that big of a deal. I don't know why that just popped up. Anyhow, so next I'm going to work on putting it underneath. Well, see, what this is supposed to be is a 360. So you mount it on there, and then when you get the computer on here and you're putting it, you're supposed to be able to move the computer, and it keeps it from being on the floor or on your table, on the floor or on the table, so the dust particles or whatever, and making it hot on the floor or being on the table or being on the desk and taking away from workspace. Like I've got my coffee cup there, I've got the my headphone thing, no big deal, and then my soda carrier or cup holder, whatever, with my soda in it. So, and then I've got my game controller right there, and I don't really play games very often, so it's wrapped up most of the time. But yeah, so I'll be back when I have it mounted. all right, before I put the computer on there. All right. Okay, guys, so we got it together. I also set up my 501 speaker system. I don't really care for that, but that's what I have. That's what I have to use for it. So I got a speaker over there by the printer, 3 speakers under here, and then a speaker right down there. Anyhow, so you're gonna need 2 people to do this. I mean, it is badass. Any computer, you can use any computer with it, okay? I don't care about wire management. If you guys don't like it, tough shit. Anyhow, so if I can get this, I can't get the right angle. Anyhow, there's 3 screws, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and then 3 on the other side. And you're gonna need 2 people to do this. 1 person to hold it up, and the other person to drive the screws in. You're self-tapping screws, so you can get it done, but it'll fit on any desk, any freaking desk. It does move, it does rotate, okay? So I can do that. I can put it all the way over here, and then it hits the bar or whatever. There was a bar over here, like over here. This comes down. It's for support, but I had to remove it just so I could get it to be flush back here. But it does move. I've seen other reviews and people said it doesn't work, but it does. It's freaking nice. And it'll keep it from being up against the floor. You know, we don't have to have it there. I've got more space up here. You know, I got that kicker for got my camera over there that I don't use yet. I had to put that the controller right there because the speakers, once I get them centered up or whatever, it'll be fine. But yeah, and that's a 34-inch ultra wide monitor. It's pretty good. I mean, I had it hooked up to the arm before, but it was so heavy. Even though this is heavier, or this is lighter than the arm, but the weight for it doesn't work with it. So if you try to get a single arm, one of those gas mount, don't do it. You want the one that goes straight up, so you can get the support for it, because the gas arm is only so strong for whatever. Anyways, I got to get back up. Hold on. Yeah, so if you're gonna mount this, it is a Versa mount back here. So yeah, if you had it down on a desktop, there's a thing for headphones, but I don't want to mess with that. My cable management is not horrible, just underneath it's horrible. I mean, that's because of the speaker cords, and there's nothing I can do about that. And if there is, I don't care enough to worry about it. I want a new lamp, but it'll have to be a multi-purpose lamp, like LED with some USB ports in it. But that's not a big concern. The next thing that's coming is my chair, and it won't be until next week. I will do a video on that, and then that's it. All right, guys. This is Czar Mont Phillips, Speed Czar Services, whatever you want to call it. Please like, follow, subscribe, and more subscribers I get, the better it is for both of us. You guys have a good day. Thank you. Please leave a comment. I don't care if it's nasty. Just leave a comment and like the video. Thank you.